Decades of promoting the prevention message have paid off, with fire calls dropping significantly over the last 10 years. But community trust is as high as ever, and fire officers are in a unique position to protect the most vulnerable in society. This story from Cheshire Fire and Rescue explains how a simple home fire safety check can help save lives.
Hello, Beryl.
How do?
Are you the fireman?
Hello.
Hello there, my name's Dave, I'm from the fire service.
Yeah.
Cheshire Fire and Rescue Service is giving Beryl a free home safety check. She'd booked an appointment before, but it didn't quite go to plan.
Beryl was collapsed in a bedroom by the door.
Oh, heavens above.
And they helped me to assess her and find out what was going on.
The fire service targeted Beryl because it's working with the NHS and social care providers to share data about homes with vulnerable people. There are currently 10 million over 65s in Britain, and by 2050, the government estimates that number will have almost doubled.
The secret is getting to the right people in the community where you can make the most difference. And that's where using intelligence and data is so important.
And by working in partnership with organisations like the NHS, Cheshire Fire and Rescue Service can offer vulnerable people like Beryl much more than fire safety precautions.
So obviously if we see someone who's quite clearly struggling in the home, we can involve other agencies. Again, it's with the consent of the homeowner. One of the main agencies that we do work with is Age UK.
A lot of people will say the visit changed their lives because it put in chain an event beyond the fire service person, because we're working with people like Age UK and people in the health service, in terms of support and stability to make them independent and safer in their own homes.
A proactive approach reducing risks to improve the lives of vulnerable people.